Modern Green is a green building company, and a big part of this design is building a structure with a much higher efficiency envelope to keep the energy in. So rather than spending more energy on appliances, you spend less energy and waste less heat. The walls are thicker, there's a high degree of insulation. We have a low E glass with double glazing, so you don't lose as much heat through the winter. And in the summer it also keeps a very cool temperature. One major feature of the building is the radiator system, where we have high efficiency boilers downstairs, putting it through the whole building and raising the ambient temperature by a few degrees in the winter time. So rather than blowing hot air on you all the time and wasting a lot of energy, we keep the building at a slightly higher temperature for less cost. At the end of the day, the main thing with the energy efficiency is you do keep the cost down with a much higher level of comfort and a better environment to live in. With this courtyard design, a really nice feature of that is we have windows on the inside of the building and on the outside. And so if you just crack a window on each side, you get a really nice natural cross ventilation. The U building, with our open corridors, with our courtyards, with native vegetation, and also with the internal design, hardwood floor with no glues, no synthetic polymers, low VOC, no off-gassing materials, and 100% wool carpets. The open corridor means that you're always engaging with the environment. You have a beautiful interior view. You also have a beautiful exterior view, which you get to enjoy all the time. Another advantage is when you're living here, it doesn't matter if you're on the 6th floor, the 2nd floor, you can see all your neighbors whenever they're coming and going, which means that you get to know the community much faster. But with our building, you see it has the courtyard, which is unique in Vancouver. And what that does is it creates an airflow, natural airflow, in between the inside and the outside. So if you have a window open like right here, wind comes right through, nice cross ventilation, keeps your unit feeling fresh and cool in the summer. If you didn't have a courtyard, it creates negative pressure on the unit and it sucks the air out. The exterior of the U building is a brick cladding, which is very durable, weatherproof, rain resistant, and it keeps in a lot more heat than a typical exterior. Because we don't need air conditioning and we have high efficiency radiators with extremely small efficient gas burners heating the water downstairs, we can guarantee for 30 cents maintenance fee a month per square foot. All water, gas and heating is included. So the U building was specially designed to maximize natural light with the positioning and the ratio of the windows to the walls. At the same time, the quality of the glass and the double glazing is so high, you don't lose any insulation value on the walls. Another aspect of the building is with such a high efficiency building envelope with extra insulation and the brick cladding, as well as the engineered hardwood floors and the double glazing, it means that you have a very quiet, peaceful unit that keeps in energy, it keeps out noise, and it makes for a very comfortable environment. Another way that we can keep the maintenance fee so low at 30 cents per square foot is we provide all top-of-the-line high-efficiency appliances, low-flow aerated faucets and low-flush toilets, which means that water consumption throughout the building is very low. From the inside to the outside, everything is saving energy. The U building was one of the first buildings to be finished here in Westbrook Village, and since it's been completed, we've seen a new community centre be built, Save On Foods is open, restaurants are opening, and over the years Westbrook Village is going to continue to grow and become a vibrant community. So even in the heart of an urban community here at Westbrook Village, from the rooftop patios at U, you can see over the surrounding buildings into Pacific Spirit Forest and into Vancouver Island and the ocean beyond. To the east we have Pacific Spirit Park, and to the west you can see the Georgia Strait and Vancouver Island through the trees. Come and experience modern, sustainable living in Westbrook Village at the heart of UBC.